welcome back to my YouTube channel. Somebody in my 3 a.m. Gehri Baatein video, Gehri Baatein at 3 a.m. video, somebody asked me how I overcame my brain telling me ki, oh, you wanted to D-word, why are you taking care of yourself? I did not get over that. I had to accept that part of me. I had to tell my brain ki yes, I wanted to D-word, but I tried. First of all, it did not work. Second of all, I don't want to D-word anymore, and I'm allowed to change my opinion on life. I am allowed to hate on life sometimes, then I'm also allowed to love my life once again. Like, it's fine. Sometimes you don't like things and then you end up loving them. And it was the same with living. So my brain was like, okay, theek hai. Sorry for bugging you. I was like, it's okay, it's fine. But like, on a more serious note, I still have to do my tattoo tour, but there is this one tattoo I have which says, यहाँ पे फोटो डाल दूंगा क्योंकि इसमें उल्टा दिखेगा I think. It says, it's a drawing of like just people sitting, and it says forgive all of yourselves, which means आपको अपने आप बहुत सा forgive all of yourselves लिखा है. तो मतलब obviously there are a lot of versions of you, right? Not just by age but by your brain and your mindset and your phases of life. So I got this tattooed after whatever I did, because I wanted to have it on my body. Like, I was like, I do forgive myself for whatever I did in that time. I wish I would have known better, but I did not. And I worked with all of the things that I had at that time and in that situation. And I did what I did. I can't change anything. I can't go back and tell my past self to not take those things and not try to do whatever I did. If you are confused, please watch Gehri Baatein at 3 a.m. This is not promotion, but generally आपको समझ नहीं आएगा मैं किस बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. Yes, back to the story. तो इसलिए मैंने ये टैटू कराया क्योंकि आई फॉरगिव माई सेल्फ. यार, हो गई गलती. हम जब किसी और के लिए कुछ गलत कर देते हैं, हम सॉरी बोलते हैं, वो भी तो हमें माफ़ ही करता है ना. तो अब खुद के लिए भी गलती कर दी मैंने, कर दी खुद के लिए गलती, कर दिया खुद को हर्ट. सॉरी बोल रहा हूँ, अब इट्स ओके भी मैं ही बोलूँगा ना. तो आई थिंक व्हेन यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अपोलोजाइजिंग टू योर सेल्फ इज़ very important, and then accepting the apology and being like it is okay is also very important. Like, पहली बात तो people don't forgive themselves, like they just take it for मैंने एक साल पहले ऐसा क्यों कर दिया, मैं पागल हूँ क्या. हो गया यार, कर दिया आपने, हो गई आपसे गलती. जितना आपको पता था उतना आपने किया. अब गुस्सा कैसे कर सकते हो? गुस्सा करके दैट मेक इट मेक सेंस. एक साल पहले मैंने क्या किया, मैं उस वर्जन पे गुस्सा कैसे हो रहा हूँ. पहली बात, वो वर्जन मैं ही हूँ. लाइक, मेरे अंदर ही है वो वर्जन, राइट? तो उस पर गुस्सा करके होगा क्या, ये बताओ. लॉजिकली होगा क्या? कुछ भी नहीं होगा भाई. आई एम लिटरली वेस्टिंग माई एनर्जी. एंड दैट पास्ट वर्जन इज ऑल्सो लाइक कि ये क्या बक कर रहा है भाई. सो द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू इज just accept the apology and, you know, just be like, okay, whatever, it's fine, things happen, you do things, you do stupid things, you do a lot of stupid things in your life which you don't even get to apologize for, and something you do to yourself, you still get to apologize for that. So you should always take that chance and say sorry to yourself. I always kiss myself, like kiss my reflection in the mirror on my stories. Sometimes I say sorry to myself also, because sometimes I do stupid things. Sometimes I do things I know I shouldn't. I know they will harm me. I know it will have, like, if I'm saying something to someone, I know they will have a bad reaction to it, and I should not be texting them that. But I still do that sometimes. So those are the times I apologize to myself, that I knew better, but I still did a stupid thing. So I'm sorry. But it's also okay, because गलतियाँ नहीं करोगे तो फिर सीखोगे कैसे ना. कभी कभार ऐसा नहीं लगता मम्मी पापा की वीडियोस देख रहे हो. But yeah, so that's that. This is the most meaningful tattoo I have. All other tattoos are also very meaningful, but this is Every time somebody asks me what it's about, my heart is like, how do I tell you? How do I tell you? I mean, not that it's hard to talk about, but it's just so, like, I can never, even though I've made like a half an hour video about all of that, and this video also about the whole tattoo thing, I think words can never be enough to express how I felt about this tattoo. And what, when I saw it on Pinterest, I was like, this is made for me. This was made for me. This is somebody's art. Basically, somebody drew this, and uska somebody copied as a sketch. And I was like, this is literally made for me. This is my tattoo. I have drawn this. I'm not, I just felt like, so yeah. The second my friend, my tattoo artist also loved it, and their mother also loved it. Their mother was like, मैं भी करा लूँ ऐसा. मैंने कहा करा लो auntie, we'll be matching. And fun fact, if we are talking about the tattoo, when I got it done, my dad asked me to show him the tattoo. I showed him the tattoo. Then I went to my room. Then 1 hour later, then he called me again. रूम में आया, कहते टैटू दिखा दोबारा. मैं कहते टैटू दिखा. मैंने बोला दोबारा अभी तो देखा था. कहते हाँ दोबारा दिखा. So he reads the tattoo and reads forgive all of yourselves, and he tells me, अच्छा इसका मतलब है कि people who are reading this tattoo should forgive themselves, क्योंकि तू तो किसी को माफ नहीं करने वाला. मैंने बोला हाँ, that is also a good interpretation. I am not going to forgive you, so you should forgive yourself. That was such a banger. What was the word? That was such a banger interpretation of the tattoo. I was like surprised. I was like, that is so goated. Like, that is so goated. Yeah, people who have done bad things to me, I am not going to forgive you. You should forgive yourself. Actually, no, I do forgive. I don't forgive. I forget. I directly forget. I skip the forgive part. मैं भूल जाता हूँ. आपने मेरे साथ बुरा किया था, मैं भूल गया. मैं ना actually बुरी चीज़ें ना. Actually, I'll tell you one more incident. This one time, a friend of mine, we were all playing Scribble. And this one time, so I got very competitive because there was this third person who was getting very competitive, and everybody was kind of being mean to each other, which we never are. Like this person is still my friend, and we are never mean to each other. But that call just became kind of mean, okay? And everybody was saying stuff to each other, like it related to the game Scribble, okay? Just competitiveness and whatnot. So I said something to her which probably hurt her, which I did not realize at the moment, and she told me later. But then against whatever I said to her, she said something to me, which I also did not realize is a bad thing, okay? She said something to me. It was something like, I don't know, I don't remember the exact but like something like, yeah, you make videos only, you do whatever. So I took it as a compliment, not going to lie. I was like, yeah, I do make videos. Like, not in a sassy way, but I was like, yeah, I want to make videos only. So when she confronted me, she like told me, you know, whatever hurt her, and I was like, I'm so sorry, ye wo. And then she was like, yeah, it's okay, I am also sorry for saying that thing I said to you. And I was like, what thing? And then she told me ki I said this mean thing to you. I was like, babe, I did not take it as a mean thing. I took it as a compliment. So sometimes you should have like such good perspective that even if the other person, this was to my friend only, they did not mean any harm, but even if some people are meaning harm towards you, just have such a good perspective कि तुम्हें वो compliment ही लगे, कहीं ना कहीं से उसे compliment बना दो. अगर कोई बुरा भी कह रहा है ना, just take it as a compliment somehow. Just change your perspective, change the way you look at things, and make it a nice thing. Yeah, that's all. I hope you guys are enjoying this. And प्लीज़ मुझे माइक दिला दो यार. माइक से पहले यार मेरे को फ़ोन दिला दो यार. मेरा फ़ोन गर्म हो जाता है यार. 2 मिनट यूज़ करता हूँ, मेरा फ़ोन जल के उबल के सूरज बन जाता है. बट यस, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट. How are you? What do you feel about this video? Comment your thoughts. I love reading paragraphs. So yeah. Bye bye. Take care. Love you. Good night. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Whatever the time is.